Hi students, welcome back to our mathematics class. In our previous class, we introduced the exponents and powers. Today we are going to consider the laws of exponents. Let us consider the first law. First one, multiplying powers with the same base. For any non-zero integer a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n, where m and n are whole numbers. Simplify and write in exponential form. First one, 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 3. We know that a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So here base is 2. There is no change in the base. So here write 2. And look at the exponents. Here 5 and here 3. Take the sum of the exponents. That is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So 2 raised to 8. That is 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 3 is equal to 2 raised to 8. Second question, minus 4 raised to 100 into minus 4 raised to 20. Here base is minus 4. So first write minus 4 as the base. And look at the powers. Here 100 and here 20. And take its sum. That is 100 plus 20 is equal to minus 4 raised to 100 plus 20, 120. So the answer is minus 4 raised to 120. Third one, a raised to 2 into a raised to 3 into a raised to 5. Here base is a. So first write a as the base. And consider powers. Here 2, then 3, then 5. Take its sum. That is 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to a raised to 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So the answer is a raised to 10. Write the appropriate number in the box. First one, minus 11 raised to 2 into minus 11 raised to 3 is equal to minus 11 raised to dash. We know that the power is 2 and 3 and its sum 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the answer is minus 11 raised to 5. Next, second one, b raised to 2 into b raised to 3 is equal to b raised to dash. Here also take the sum. That is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So here also we get b raised to 5. Third one, d raised to 10 into d raised to 20 is equal to d raised to dash. Here take the sum of the powers. That is 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. So the answer is d raised to 30. Now let us consider the second law. Dividing powers with the same base. For any non-zero integer a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n, where m and n are whole numbers. Simplify and write in exponential form. First one, 11 raised to 6 divided by 11 raised to 2. We know that a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So here 11 raised to 6 divided by 11 raised to 2 is equal to, there is no change in the base. So first write 11. Then difference between the powers, that is 6 minus 2 is equal to 11 raised to 4. So the answer is 11 raised to 4. Let us consider the second question. 9 raised to 11 divided by 9 raised to 7. Here the base is 9. So first write 9 raised to 11 divided by 9 raised to 7 is equal to, there is no change in the base. So here write 9 and take the difference between the powers, that is 11 minus 7 is equal to 9 raised to, what is 11 minus 7? That is 4. So the answer is 9 raised to 4. Let us consider the third question. 20 raised to 13 divided by 20 raised to 10. 20 raised to 13 divided by 20 raised to 10 is equal to, here base is 20. So write the 20. Then take the difference between the powers, that is 13 minus 10 is equal to 20 raised to 13 minus 10, 3. So the answer is 20 raised to 3. So dear children, can you answer quickly? First one, 10 raised to 8 divided by 10 raised to 3 is equal to 10 raised to. Take the difference between the powers. 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer is 10 raised to 5. Second question, 7 raised to 9 divided by 7 raised to 6 is equal to 7 raised to. What is 9 minus 6? That is equal to 3. So the answer is 7 raised to 3. Third one, a raised to 8 divided by a raised to 5 is equal to a raised to, difference between 8 and 5, that is equal to 3. So a raised to 3. Fourth one, b raised to 10 divided by b raised to 5 is equal to b raised to dash. Take the difference between the powers. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. So the answer is b raised to 5.